what a beautiful morning. Oh, what a beautiful day. I have a very special feeling, guys, that my Jen is going to the doctor today. Not a good day, guys. Bad morning. People say good morning, bad morning. Every day is a good morning, man. I'm thankful to be alive. Unfortunately, guys, I have bad news. My Jen, I was involved in a hit and run accident the other day. I'm gonna show you guys the car. I'm just in this car right now. I'm waiting on a tow truck actually to come pick up the Jen. But yes, I was involved in a hit and run accident the other day. Giant truck basically tried to cut me off. I didn't even see this truck until the very last second, but I guess they missed the exit and they tried to cut me off. They were probably trying to pass me and they realized that they weren't. And then they kind of basically smacked my driver's side and veered me off into the median area. So my car is absolutely destroyed, unfortunately. Thank God I'm alive. My birthday's actually this week. It's Wednesday, so happy birthday to me, right? But what did I learn, right? Like at the end of the day, it's just material possessions. It's not the end of the world. And I just bring you guys along the journey, the good and the bad, right? It's just like, yeah, I just bought some new tires for the car. I just put a transmission cooler. I just spent $3,000 putting a new transmission in the car. And look at the situation you get, So you never know what life is going to throw at you. But it's okay, You make good decisions, you make good investments, and you kind of push forward. It's just, it happens, Not everything's going to be great. Honestly, man, like Oakland, SF Bay Area, San Francisco, even Alameda at sometimes. I mean, it's just a living GTA server with the 5150s, the people that are running around screaming, people that, and sometimes, stealing mail. I mean, running around, driving around with no licenses, no insurance. It's just, it's always something in the Bay Area. But, that's why I like it, But hey, you got to drive safe too. As I said, you got to go with your gut. I should have just went home the other night. In general, when I even go out on the weekends, I don't even like to drive at night on the weekends. I just prefer to Uber because you never really know, who's on the road, right? And in this case, I didn't even see this until the last second. All I remember is hearing and feeling a whole bunch of dirt and gravel in my ear and my hair. And you're gonna see, I'm gonna walk to the car right now. So when you guys see, you're gonna be like, man, holy, this car looks like it's in pieces. But yeah, I was wondering why I had such a bad headache yesterday. And it's because my side mirror, actually, this mirror right here, which I'll show you when I get out, it flew off the car. So the windshield didn't break. I didn't have any airbags deploy or anything like that. But man, that side mirror broke off. I guess the impact from him hitting my car sent that side mirror flying into my face, into my head. So I had a pretty bad headache yesterday too. And that mirror also broke and went in pieces everywhere. So you guys will see that. The car though, still drives. It actually drives great. The motor's still good. You're a car guy when, honestly, I was more worried about the motor than anything. I was like, is the motor still good? So that is what I cared about. So I think I'm at this point now where, you guys follow me along the journey. I'll have to figure out, hey, I'm not selling the car. So you can forget about that. The car is not getting sold. I love the car. As I said, it's a limited exclusive vehicle. So I'm just at the point now where I have two options. I can figure out how much it's going to cost to fix the car, whether that's insurance, out of pocket, or, whatever it's going to be. The hit and run cases are just annoying. Because it's, there's really not too much you can do. I know I have pretty good insurance. I just have to check and see what type of insurance. I know I pay a lot. My insurance better be doing something, man. I'm paying these guys about $400 a month, it seems like. Jeez, man, these guys, it is insane. But yes, so we're at the point, guys, where I need to figure out, the car is actually about to go to the shop. So I'll have to get it appraised, figure out by my buddy Steve, what is the damage, right, to fix this. And then I can compare that to potentially buying a new shell, a shell, or buying a different car and just basically swapping that out, with the motor that's already in this car since it's good. And I'll just have a clean body, right? So do I want to pay X amount of dollars or have the insurance pay X amount of dollars to fix the car. Is it worth it based on how much it's going to cost? I don't really know. I'll have to figure it out. Versus me just getting a whole nother car, swapping the motor out, having a clean body, starting over again, and then also having a spare motor and transmission that I can just put in storage. So that's kind of the option. Again, life's not perfect, but you know, you make the most of it. That's why I also have 2 cars, so that, you know, if something happens to one of my cars, I'm not, you know, stuck, you know, just kind of left with no wheels. But again, guys, that's enough bloviating. Let's get to the car. Just gonna show you guys the car real quick. As I said, guys, it's not in good condition, so you're gonna see this person got me good. They got me good, guys. Happy birthday. They got me good. But yeah, guys, this is the car. It's unfortunate. Good thing I didn't have my grill on the car. That grill's about 500 bucks. As I told you guys, I was test fitting that external transmission cooler, so I didn't even put the grill on the car. I don't know if it would have gotten touched, but I'm just glad I didn't have it on the car. But it's just funny, right? Like, this part of the car is just perfect, but this person just absolutely destroyed this side when they tried to cut me off, and it left a lot of damage, unfortunately. But let's look at the other side. Yeah, the doors on this side as well. No airbags deployed. Let's hop in the car. As I said, oh gosh. Yeah, see that sand? That was just like, all that was in my hair and my ear. And look at the mirror. The mirror flew off, broke. This whole mirror flew off into my head and broke. Good thing I didn't steer off of the freeway or anything like that, but everything else is intact. It's just crazy. I don't understand how none of this broke either. But yeah, let's start the car though. Still starts. AFLS is on because obviously the front adaptive front light center, the lights are just completely out of whack in the front. But hey, car starts, you know, in this state. I'm not hearing any knocks. So yeah. All right, let's go pop up the hood really quickly. So yes, car still runs and drives in this state. So I'm thankful for that. Hyundai did something right. Finally, right? You've done something right, Hyundai. You've made a car big enough to withstand, you know, potentially some bad drivers, which is funny. I can still laugh at that. But yes, guys, the car will probably be totaled, most likely. As I said, I'm never gonna sell this car. You know, at least I don't have any plans on selling it in the near future. So I'm gonna go ahead and most likely figure out and update you guys on the options that I have and which option I decide to go with, and keep you guys just abreast on the journey. Don't forget to go ahead and like the video. It's free. Make sure you guys go ahead and hit the subscription button as well as the bell so you're notified when I drop more content. And I will catch you guys in the next video.